I'm a substation technician. I sort of describe it as the middleman between the generators and the homes. Because it is such a dangerous environment, we're then able to manage that really well and make it a safe environment. I like the fact that no day's the same. You've got different problems every day. I think that makes it really exciting. Our role as technicians, we're ultimately helping to keep the lights on, but then there's also sort of that bigger picture in that we're helping facilitate the connection of renewable generation. To be a good technician, the main sort of thing you need is like an interest in the industry or a real willingness to learn. I came straight from A-levels, so this was my first time working in the industry. So a lot of the skills I've got now I've learned on the job. With an apprenticeship, you're sort of not only getting that theoretical knowledge, but you're also developing that practical hands-on skills as well. I think coming in as a female into that industry, it can be quite daunting at first. I always sort of tell young girls, it's really not something to let it stop you. Like, anyone can become a technician. Whatever your background, it is something that everyone can get involved with.